Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
In this video, we are going to see how to insert an image in MS Word. If you want to apply 3D effects for images, or to modify and remove in MS Word, then check out our article. Link provided in the description. And for more interesting technology videos, subscribe to our channel. Without any delay, let's start our video. Open Word document. Place the cursor where you want to insert the image. Click on Insert. Click Picture. According to your need, choose this device or online pictures. Here, I'm choosing this device. Then, you will see a window from where you can browse your computer folder. Select an image and click on Insert. That's it, image is inserted in the Word document. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information about this tutorial, visit our article. Link provided in the description.
Yeah.